Hey everyone, this is Cubastic and today we have another video in which I will talk about the most amazing things that have happened to me during the existence of my channel. And to be precise, in today's video I will show you the top 5 speedcubing battles I've conducted. So let's not waste time, let's start. And I want to start with a video of me competing with my good old friend Eugen. This will be something unusual, not just solving ordinary puzzles with the timer. This will not be the easiest challenges, not the easiest contests. We took some ideas for the contest from the comments and some from my old show called Go Extreme. Task number 1. Solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube in a mirror image. Why is it so tough? And the tasks were really crazy. Where does it go? Aren't you mixing sides here? He kept moving in the wrong direction. Now I understand people who are just learning how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Neither I nor Eugen have ever done this before. You need to... It was very funny. Whoa, 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 what? No! I can't turn it the right way. Just take a look at Eugen's impressions after solving this task. I feel like I'm broken. I start solving and it's not working, I turn it in one direction, it goes to another one. It was fun, but I hope I never do it again. God, how difficult it is, I can't figure out where everything is located. Oh, you're so close, I just see there are 4 moves or 3. Damn! In this video there were other tasks such as solving the cube with one hand and various riddles. The most recognizable graphic image in the world. Whoa. It's a riddle. And it didn't always go smoothly. I'm not doing it right! And I'm doing it right. I'm doing it wrong, and I can fix it now. By the way, here we were required to recall our school knowledge of geography and even math. Flag of the country, which capital is Helsinki. Yeah, we're getting lost. Yeah, you're right. We're getting lost. You are so right. Solve the task and draw the answer on the cube. Damn, it's like... What? Okay. It's 10, it's clear. It became clear who was good at school and who has been solving Rubik's Cubes under his desk during the lessons. Damn, why did I think that it was 4? I'm an idiot! So guys, watch this video, link in the description, it's worth it. And we go to the next. Technology is developing very quickly, and now there are even special robots that are able to scramble and solve a Rubik's Cube. Of course, I have a few robots. So, on the 4th place is the video in which I set up a battle between 2 speedcuber robots. I used to make them the same complexity scrambles, press the start button at the same time and watch them do the job. As in any competition, there were several rounds. It turned out a very beautiful ASMR video. And to find out which robot won, watch the video from the beginning to the end. The link is in the description below this video. The 3rd place was taken by the video in which I compete with myself. Yes, you don't miss here. In that video there were 2 Cubastics. Today I'm solving the 7x7 cube. I won't know how much time I have to solve this puzzle. It's you only who's going to watch the timer live. It will be in the bottom of your screen. Meanwhile, my opponent will be solving the 3x3 Rubik's Cubes. That's right, I'll be solving the 3x3s at the time. What's fun about it is that I won't know the time limit. Basically everything is determined by the time it will take me to solve the 7x7 cube. I'll have a few scrambled cubes and I'll be getting more all the time, so that I can keep going and solve more than 6 Rubik's Cubes lying in front of me now. As you understand, this competition will go on until I make the final turn on the 7x7 cube. And once that cube is solved, I'll put my 3x3s on the table and we find out how many 3x3 Rubik's Cubes I can solve while I'm solving the 7x7 one. I'll hope it will be fascinating. And it really was, just take a look at it. 1, 2, 3, let's go! God, it's so interesting to compete with myself. Oh, what? Okay, I'm not disturbing you anymore. Putting this idea into practice was not an easy task. In addition to the solving itself, it was necessary to try very hard, to plan everything correctly, to shoot the video and edit it properly. But it was definitely worth it, because you loved that video.
Okay, I've almost solved the red. The red? What else is left? Seems like 2 centers or 3.
If you want, you can imagine it's a battle between Cubastic and Evil Cubastic.
Oh! What? I got lost. That's fine. It means you're giving me the chance to win. Come on! Oh, yes, yes, I failed!
In total, I managed to solve 22 3x3 Rubik's Cubes while I was solving one 7x7 cube. I also strongly recommend that you watch this video from the beginning to the end, because I've been trying for you. So support my channel, subscribe, like the video and be sure to watch the video in which I competed with myself.
I'm tired. Are you tired? Madness. It's madness. Why are you capping me?
The second place. It's a very recent video in which I competed with the speedcubing champion of Ukraine, Lev Holub.
Now I have about 35 records in different disciplines. I'm on them 3x3 with one hand. I recently set the record for the number of movements.
In general, today there will be a competition between professional and amateur. At first, Lev of course was beating me easily. What? 7.15?
Let me
7
finish you.
seconds? And this is not surprising, because he is a reigning champion of Ukrainian speedcubing. What? How? I only made 2 pairs! What is your one-handed result in the competition?
It's 12.07 average.
It's faster than my 2 hands average.
It's still the record of Ukraine.
Oh, you have the record of Ukraine?
Yes.
I have no chance. Look what Lev did right while shooting this video. Oh. What? 2.05? 2.05? Lev is best speedcuber in Ukraine, so to make sure I have a chance to compete with him, I decided to somehow complicate tests for him. I want you to solve a Rubik's Cube with one hand, while I use 2.
Let's try.
So you solve with one hand and I with 2.
Yeah, okay. 3, 2, start.
Well,
You solved it.
yes, in 15 seconds. It didn't work well, so I gave him a huge cube. 3, 2, start. Then a small one. He also tried to solve some really ancient cubes by Rubik's. This cube is older than I am and probably older than many who watch us. Here you can really break your fingers. I don't know how you're going to do it. God, you make it sound like it's about to fall apart.
It is.
And in the end, we were equal. We finally found the conditions in which we're equal,
And can compete fair and
that's
square.
great. Check out this video to get familiar with the speedcuber champion of Ukraine, Lev Holub. And the first place. Here we have a video in which I arranged a competition between one of the best speedcubers in the world, Felix Zemdegs, and speedcuber Robot.
I had this idea that it would be cool to have a competition between a robot that solves a cube in 5 seconds and the fastest speedcuber on the planet.
It was an honor for me to make a video with Felix Zemdegs, so I felt extremely excited.
I'm on the main stage of competitions, the most important competitions in the world. With the fastest and most popular speedcuber on the planet, I'll be on the same video. I forgot to tap on the screen. Let's see who will win today, robot or human. 3, 2, 1, go!
In the first round, Felix have beaten a robot.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go!
But in the second one, robot was faster.
Oh! This time the robot was faster, but it's okay, so far it is 1-1.
If you want to know who won the final round, you have to watch this video, the link in the description.
Well guys, I don't believe it myself, but I'm saying it. This was Cubastic and Felix Zemdex.
So guys, that's all for today, but another fascinating speedcubing contests and battles are waiting for us in the nearest future on my channel. Thank you all for watching, subscribe if you haven't, bye everyone and have a good time.